So this is a card that I've just made for my great-grandson. It's his birthday soon. So you can see here, that's the front, and there's the back. And I've done my little label here. And the basic design for this card is from Kathy by Design. I use her designs all the time. She's just really, really lovely. So just untie it so we can have a look at it. Now the paper is from Graphic 45 from the Well Groomed series. I'm also making a junk journal with that paper at the moment for one of my granddaughters. The dogs are from Creative Fabrica, and I thought they were absolutely gorgeous. Now my great-grandson, he just loves animals and particularly dogs. Okay, so I've made a little, you can see I've got a little doggy tag, and I have a little gift envelope that I've made. I've just put a sticker on here. Now, unfortunately, I have used magnets, but I only used little magnets, which I shouldn't have. And of course, with all the paper now, they don't hold very well. Okay, so we'll just open it. And you can see here, this is just some scrapbook booking paper that I had on hand. This is just a cutout from the Graphic 45 papers. And then what I did is I downloaded a photo of a dog and I cut it into a jigsaw using the jigsaw die cut template that I got from Temu recently, and I did talk about that in the Temu haul, so I'll put a link to that because it turned out really well. And again, I've just stuck this little dog here coming out from the tuck spot, and I thought he's super cute. And on this side I've made a tuck spot so they can put a photo in there. Added a photo here. It's got the clear photo corners on the sides so that you can change the photo out. Added a little dog here, and I've put this is also a little tuck spot, and pop something else in there. And I made a little booklet just with some cardstock and some tea-dyed paper, and I've just put a few stickers through it and just done the basic putting it together. Just something you can write on. And then of course I've put a little tag here saying happy birthday. So it turned out really well. I'm very, very pleased with it. As I say, the magnets could have been stronger, which would have been nice, it would have sat flat. But I don't mind. I've put the tie around it, it'll hold it all together. I forgot to mention, I made a box to go with it as well to protect it in transit. So I've just put his name and a picture from the bundle on there. And the card just fits in there nice and snug, and it'll also have some tissue paper around it. And that's what it'll look like when it arrives. So there we go. I'll show you the next one when I'm up to that, because I have a whole heap of great-grandchildren having birthdays in the next couple of months.